Мое имя Максим Владимир Медведев, и моя специальность в Milwaukee – компьютерная информатика. I've seen how hard my parents work, right? Immigrating for another country is incredibly difficult. As a student, obviously working 2 jobs, being in a sport, and trying to be mindful of my health is really difficult. I'm humble for the opportunities that I was given, and I want to do as much as I can. When I came into UWM, I wanted to be a hardware engineer, and then I was like, I'm gonna be a network architect. And then I was like, all of that is so technical, and I'm a personable human being. I wanna be in technology, but I wanna help elevate the environments I'm in communication-wise, but as well as work with innovation. So currently I work at EUA, Eppstein Uhen Architects. I work as a technology intern, possibly going on to become a technology specialist at the company. One professor who really stands out for me is Professor Jason Dietenberger. He has been really instrumental in kind of shaping me to be the next generation of solutionists that the industry deserves in terms of business and technology. He pushed me to my limit, and he realized what potential that I have, and I couldn't be more grateful that he's my mentor. Something that I'm really proud of is restructuring UWM Panther Rugby. Post-COVID, it was in shambles. Starting from scratch, rebuilding, being in that rebuilding process, and also making friends, being part of a sports team and representing not only UWM, but the city of Milwaukee as well. UWM is just full of high-spirited individuals, strong-willed, and people who aren't afraid to back down. I think it really goes to show that you can't cage a panther.